This video walks you through how to create a contingency fee matter in Clio Manage. Begin in Clio Manage and go to Matters from the left sidebar. This opens the area where matter records are created and managed. From there, click New Matter to start a new file. Once the new matter form appears, select the client for the matter. Choose the correct client record before moving forward, since the matter will be connected to that client profile. After the client is selected, enter the required matter details. The exact fields can vary depending on your setup, so complete the required information shown on the form and make sure each entry matches the matter you are creating. When those details are in place, scroll down to the Billing Preference section. This is where you define how the matter will be handled for billing. First, make sure this matter is billable is checked. If that box is not selected, the billing method options may not apply the way you expect, so confirm it before continuing. Next, click the billing method dropdown. From the list of available options, select contingency fee. As soon as you choose that billing method, additional fields will appear on the form. These fields are specific to contingency billing, so enter the required contingency fee details exactly as requested in the section that opens. Take a moment here to confirm that the information matches the fee arrangement you want on this matter, since this setting controls how the matter is categorized for billing. After the contingency fee details are entered, review the remaining matter settings on the page, look through the rest of the form, and confirm that everything still reflects the correct setup for this matter. This review is useful because changing the billing method can affect what appears lower on the page, and it gives you a chance to catch anything that still needs attention before saving. When you are ready, click Save Matter to create the matter. Clio Manage will save the record using the client, matter details, billing preference, and contingency fee information you entered. If the system requires any missing information, complete the highlighted fields and save again. At this point, the new matter is created in Clio Manage with the contingency fee billing method selected. You can now work from that matter record, knowing the billing preference has been set during creation, rather than needing to update it afterward. Your contingency fee matter is now created in Clio Manage.